Hi Ghanshyam, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, sir. What's about you?
I'm also doing good, thank you. So for the viewers who are watching this video, we have Mr. Ghanshyam Patil with us today. He recently got placed with Gruve Technologies as a cyber security analyst. So today in this session, we are going to discuss about his experience during the training, what kind of preparation he did for interviews, how much time he spent with his classes, and on a daily basis, how much practice he did in the labs as well. So hi Ghanshyam, welcome again, and let's get started. So first of all, many heartiest congratulations for getting your first job as a fresher into the cybersecurity domain, that too with Groove Technology. So how it feels like?
It's a great feeling, and like to thank you. You first of all, I like to thank you.
Okay. So can you tell us about yourself, a quick introduction about yourself, please?
Yeah, sure, sir. So, good afternoon. My name is Ghanshyam Patil, and I am originally from Jalgaon, Maharashtra. I completed my bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from University of Pune, and I'm currently pursuing multi-track with cyber security program at I-MEDITA. And I recently got opportunity to work as a security analyst at Gruve Technologies.
Great. So this was your first interview, or how many interviews you have given?
No, it's my first interview, sir.
Okay, great. So first interview and you nailed the interview and you got the opportunity. Great.
Yes, sir.
This is amazing feeling, right? If I'm not wrong, first interview, first
Yes, yes,
job.
sir.
So what kind of preparation you did during your classes? How much course you have completed? Have you completed your 100% course or it's still ongoing?
No, I almost completed my 50-60% course, which I was completed for CCNA, then CCNP, Linux, and Certified Ethical Hacking.
Okay, so you have already completed your CCN and CCNP Linux program and your CEH module as well. I think your network
Yes,
security
sir.
and Palo Alto firewall module is pending.
Yeah, still remaining.
Okay, great. So on a daily basis, how much time you were spending with your classes, labs, self-study here at I-MEDITA? How much time you were giving on a daily basis? So tell us more about that, please.
So, including like my offline lectures, then practicals, and my self-study, it almost 5 to 6 hours daily.
You were spending 5 to 6 hours daily. So
Yeah.
what differences you feel now before enrolling with I-MEDITA, the knowledge which you were having that time, and now when you have almost completed 50-60% of the course, you have gained certain skills and certain knowledge. What differences you are feeling in terms of knowledge, in terms of technical confidence at your end?
So like when I decide to enroll the course for the first time, it's like in 2024 April or May. So I don't have like I have zero experience in a networking and cybersecurity field. But like when I join, I complete my CCNE, CCNP, and now I complete my Linux and got my first job. So it's like a great experience for me. And like from the zero experience to now, I have like a freshers kind of experience. So yeah, like
Okay. And I am sure before enrolling with I-MEDITA, there must be certain expectations at your end also,
yeah,
that this is what I'm going to learn. This is what
yes,
kind
sir.
of instructors I expect to deliver the classes. This kind of lab, study material, guidance is what I expect. Everybody, they have an expectation whenever they purchase or buy any kind of services. So before enrollment, when you were having certain expectations and now when you have completed most of your modules, I would like to understand, were we able to met those expectations which you were having prior to beginning your course?
Yeah, sure, sir, definitely. So, like as I mentioned when I started course, I want first of all I want 100% placement guarantee, which I search a lot of institute which they does not given. But in I-MEDITA there are 100% placement guarantee, which I love most about I-MEDITA. Like also yeah, I have more expectations which I-MEDITA already completed.
Okay, so when you say 100% job guarantee, it is a two-way game. You are putting a lot of efforts, and our team is helping you with the interview preparation and scheduling your interviews, right?
Yes, definitely, sir.
Okay, and from which all instructors you have taken your classes? Tell us more about your experience with those instructors.
So I completed my CCNA from Sudhanshu sir, then CCNP from Vikas sir, and Linux and Certified Ethical Hacking from Yuvraj sir. So they all have a different teaching techniques, but they all are good in their teaching techniques, all of them.
Okay,
And it was a great experience for me.
okay. You have followed all the study material, labs, and everything. How was your
Yeah,
experience
sure.
with the lab access here? You got required lab access and sufficient time to perform all the labs and related to all the learning activities?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And you have also attended PD classes and interview preparation classes by Shweta madam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
I completed.
how much those classes were helpful for you during the interviews?
So like PD session are definitely going to help you for a clear HR interview. So like
Okay.
the questions which ma'am given to me, they all are like very useful questions.
Mm-hmm. And how you got to know about I-MEDITA? This is the first time you are
So
doing
like
your courses with I-MEDITA. How you got to know about I-MEDITA?
So like when I came to Pune for searching a course, I've visited a multiple institute, like 5 to 6 institute. But after that, I got to know about I-MEDITA from my family member, so which they already completed their respective courses from I-MEDITA. So they asked me to give go to the I-MEDITA visit, just ask them what you want from which course do you want, like ask them. So I got to know about from them.
Okay, so are you satisfied with all the services which you have got from our side?
Yes, sir, totally, sir.
So if you have this opportunity today, how would you rate our training and services on a scale of 10?
10 out of 10, sir.
Okay. And do you have any suggestion, any feedback for us through which we may improve our training and services in future?
I don't think, sir. Like, I-MEDITA is a 10 out of 10, and everything is good in I-MEDITA.
Great. Thank you, Ghanshyam. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for future endeavors. Keep learning, stay in touch, and do complete your remaining course as well.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day.